Good evening, friends. This is Kumar Rajgopalan, the host of the Ramak Kumar Show. But today's conversation is about Digital Mithil and about the courses that he has so crafted, so well crafted, that it's really, really beneficial to whosoever who joins. But let me explain this further. I first joined the 5 days podcast mastery course. And believe me, despite being a podcaster, a recent podcaster of course, the amount of information, the wealth of knowledge that we got, it is simply stupendous. And at the end of the 5-day session, we had a graduation ceremony in which, even though there was no certainty that I would be joining the next level, the level 2 of the course, he still gave us so many goodies and so much of information and so much of knowledge. Cut to the chase, I joined the 30 days roadmap challenge, and in that there was one challenge which I particularly liked, that was creating a YouTube video for 30 days. It may be a short video, it may be a long video, but each day had a separate topic, and for 30 days the video had to be created. Let me tell you, I am absolutely scared, petrified of coming in front of the camera. But I completed that 30 days challenge, and today, after that 30-day challenge, when you see this video, you will find that I'm far more comfortable and not nervous in front of the camera. So what has happened is that in the process of this course, I have overcome my fears and I've got comfortable in front of the camera, comfortable in speaking in front of the camera. So that's one big benefit that you get when you join a course by Digital Mithil. So other than learning the course itself, you also learn to be comfortable in front of the camera, to overcome your hindrances, and as we call, the word problems has now been substituted as challenges. So all those challenges you overcome, and in the process, between the first day when you join the course and maybe the 30th or the 50th day when you almost come to the close of the course, you are a changed person totally. And all this is only because of one person, and that is Digital Mithil. And the course is very well crafted. The course is crafted in such a way that it brings out, it makes you climb one mountain of another, and in the process become better than what you were yesterday. If I were to explain my experience of this course, I would say I cannot use one word, but I'll have to use 2 words. It is absolutely awesome for the reason that Digital Mithil is a giver. He handholds you so much during the entire journey that you feel comfortable, and you also you go that extra mile to ensure that you learn. So it is a beautiful journey where he comes more than 3/4 of the way, and then you go on that journey, and finally you are on your own. I would recommend this course to each and everybody who wishes to join. Please join with eyes closed, no issue. And you will realize that the journey is beautiful. Thank you, Mithil. Thank you so very much for being with me. And during this course, I truly extend my heartfelt thanks for all the knowledge that you have shared with us. Thank you so very much. Be blessed.